Hi everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's live training. This is Caitlin, and today we want to share with you one of our hard sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly, this kind of blue VCI interior specs, right? And here this is the label. And the first of the label is our Shumatt's brand, and the product code is F00VC01331. Actually, for this kind of logo, label, packages, etc., we can support customized service. Then I will show you the inside. And instead of it, the transparent bottles can be better avoid some damages during the translation, and 1 layer of oil paper to wrap it up. Actually, each product we supply with 6 months warranty time, and in this period, enable customers if you're not satisfied with the quality, return or exchange. So you have the quality guaranteed, and for this one, the black cable inject number is 0445110209, etc. Okay, that's the on the valve cavity with the coating figures here. And this is the valve road. Actually, if you want to clean the valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. Okay, so much for this one. At last, thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. And at last, remember follow us on the channel and feel free to contact us. Bye.